Hello viewers, here is a Casablanca ceiling fan. This is one of the Four Seasons models, and I've always liked these because they're very generic and plain looking, but yet they're very good quality. This probably was replaced by this fan, which is a Hunter Regalia, or Regalia, who knows how you pronounce it. Admittedly, it's not the worst looking fan I've ever seen, but I'm sure the quality isn't very good. 60 inches, because you can't just have 52 anymore, that is 60. But they probably didn't make a bigger motor, so, well, whatever, that's a whole different story. So, I'm not sure if this is complete or not. It looks like it may be, but I want to go through here and pull all the parts out and see what we have to work with. And this has been in the car for a little while, so the parts are all jumbled around here. Not that they weren't to begin with, but now it's even worse. There's a multitude of screws down here at the bottom, so we have to really sort through here and see what's going on. Unused felt pad, that's cool. This is probably part of the new fan. It's probably part of the new fan as well. Oh my goodness, don't eat that. PV labels. That's probably part of the new fan. That's definitely part of the new fan. Wire nuts. A branch. Wish Hunter would not use all this styrofoam. Do not like this packaging at all. I think that's everything. Now let's see what we have here. I believe there's a screw inside of here. Yep, there is. Looks like it's one of the screws for the hang false canopy. How in the world did that even get in there? Well, that's I'm not really sure how we're going to get that out, but yeah, okay. This is proving to be something that should be done off camera. Okay. So here's the fan itself. Got the pole chain, which is a nice heavy metal chain. Casablanca Fan Company. Definitely going to hold on to that fob if nothing else. I have to say this was donated very nicely, and it actually is in nearly perfect condition. There's really no notable blemishes. Well, there's one right there, but nothing significant as far as blemishes go on the fan. Let's see. Bearings are kind of noisy, but probably still usable. A little bit of oil may fix that. So we have, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one is in the housing. Somehow, I really don't know how a screw this long got inside of there. But it looks like we have all the components for that. So the canopy, even the canopy is in really good condition too. Well, okay, so we got that. This, I don't think there's anything to do with either fan. That's for the old fan, that's for the whatever, the fan that was in the box. We can definitely use those. These screws, this is probably part of the fan that was in the box. That's probably part of their house. This, I guess, is for mounting the bracket onto a wood beam. That's probably for the new fan that was in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got all the blade screws, miscellaneous washer. This, I don't know what that's for. That's got nothing to do with the fan. So actually, not only is this in nice condition, but it's complete. That's moderately surprising. I don't know if this is just dirty, but this finish looks really crummy on the white side. But this side is pretty nice. The irons aren't too scratched up. This particular one is a little bit scratched, but most of them are not really scratched at all. Certainly on the ceiling that would not have any noticeable defects. I suppose if I ever wanted to use the white side I could just repaint it. That's easy enough, but I like this light oak side. It's very nice. Alright, well that's good. I guess, you know, the time it would take me to open this up probably is less than that of the time it would take to somehow finagle this screw out of there. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Actually, this will give me a good opportunity to take a look at the motor, and we'll see how much dust is in there, and we'll oil the motor, I guess. Or probably should do a test on it first to make sure it works. No point in oiling a motor if it doesn't work. That would be kind of nutty. I put this carpet on the bench here the other day, and I already really like it. It's perfect for projects like this because I can just slide this around and everything and it's not going to get damaged. Okay, that opened up quite easily. Yeah, that could use a good cleaning for sure. Set that aside. Here's our infamous screw number 4. And that's a decent sized motor. So let's see, about 7 inches. So you can convert that to millimeters. I'm not sure what that is offhand, but actually ouch, doggone it. The bearings aren't too bad. Probably plenty usable. Yeah, I think those bearings will be usable. I'll still put a couple drops of oil in there anyways. Let's see, to get to the... Well, this is now going beyond the initial checkout, so I'm going to cut this video off here. Nice complete van for $15. Probably retail for at least $150. Looks like it's in great condition too, so this should be a nice fan to use perhaps in the bedroom.